Alright, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So 8 versus 8. Nom nom. 8. So 8, the number 8. Those 8 were here before you. We need 8 more books. Those 8 were here last night. Those 8 people. How did those 8 get in the room? Very good. I think 8 should be enough. Yeah. All we need is 8 more. 8 is all they asked for. 8 is all they asked for. But 8, the past tense for eat. He ate it all. Did you eat or did you eat everything? He ate all of it. Yeah. I thought he could have eaten more. Yeah, but she ate. She only ate the strawberries. Yeah. How cool is that? I think he ate it easily. He cooked and ate the food. She ate the dinner with him. They ate their favorite meal together. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So 8 as in number 8 and 8 past tense. So can you use 8 and 8 in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.